In this video, I want to talk to you about something that becomes more important than ever as we grow older, the way our body hydrates. Many of you drink plenty of water every day because you've always been told it's good for your health. And yes, water is essential. But after the age of 60, plain water doesn't work inside the body the same way it used to. You may drink a full glass and still feel tired, still feel thirsty, or still struggle with low energy. That's not because you're doing anything wrong. It's simply because your body now needs a little more support to stay hydrated at the cellular level. As we age, our cells lose minerals more quickly, our digestion absorbs less, and our blood vessels become less flexible. This means the water you drink doesn't always reach the places that truly need it. Many older adults start to feel slower, weaker, or more fatigued without understanding why. But most of these changes are not just aging. They're signs that your hydration needs have shifted. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your everyday water into something much more useful for your body, hydration that supports your heart, your circulation, your muscles, and your overall energy. These are simple adjustments you can start right away, without changing your routine. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. It helps us feel like one community here, learning together and supporting one another. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. Point 1. Magnesium, the relaxation mineral. As we move past the age of 60, one of the most important minerals your body begins to quietly lose is magnesium. Many older adults don't realize how deeply this affects their daily comfort, their energy, and especially their circulation. Magnesium's main job is simple but powerful: it helps your muscles and blood vessels relax. Without enough of it, your body stays in a state of tension. And this tension often shows up as stiffness, headaches, poor sleep, heavy mornings, or slower blood flow. Inside your blood vessels, two minerals work like opposite signals. Calcium tells the vessel walls to tighten, and magnesium tells them to relax. When you were younger, these signals stayed balanced. But after 60, magnesium levels naturally fall because your stomach absorbs less of it, your kidneys release more of it, and your muscles store less of it. This creates a quiet imbalance where calcium takes over. The result? Your arteries stay tighter than they should, your blood has less room to move, and your energy drops because oxygen isn't reaching your tissues as easily. Many older adults describe this as feeling sluggish, heavier, or slower in the morning. Some even feel more anxious or restless without knowing why, and magnesium plays a major role in calming the nervous system. When magnesium levels are low, your muscles never fully relax at night, and your sleep loses its depth. This is why you may wake up feeling tired even after hours in bed. Adding magnesium to your hydration helps reverse this cycle gently. Magnesium glycinate or citrate dissolves easily, absorbs well, and supports both your blood vessels and your muscles. Just a small daily dose can help your body feel calmer, your circulation move more freely, and your morning start with a little more ease and clarity. Point 2. Sodium, the gatekeeper of hydration. For many older adults, the word sodium immediately brings up concerns about high blood pressure or swelling. And yes, too much sodium from processed foods can create problems. But the right kind of sodium, natural, unrefined sodium found in sea salt or Himalayan salt, plays a completely different role in your body. It acts as the gatekeeper that helps water actually enter and stay inside your cells. Without it, drinking plain water becomes far less effective, especially after the age of 60. As you grow older, your body's natural ability to hold on to water decreases. Your kidneys become more sensitive, your thirst mechanism weakens, and your digestive system absorbs fewer minerals. This means that even if you drink several glasses a day, the water may pass through your system too quickly. You end up going to the bathroom more often, feeling tired, or still feeling thirsty. This isn't because you aren't drinking enough, it's because your body lacks the sodium that helps water move into the cells and stay there. Natural sodium acts like a carrier. It helps maintain the right pressure inside your cells, supports nerve signals, and allows your muscles to contract smoothly. When sodium is low, water can't stay where it's needed. Some older adults even feel dizzy upon standing, experience sudden drops in energy, or notice their hands and feet feeling colder. These are signs that the body's water balance isn't stable. Adding just a tiny pinch, truly just the tip of your finger, of unrefined salt to your morning water can make hydration more effective. It supports steady energy, improves alertness, and helps your cells function more efficiently without raising blood pressure the way processed salt does. This simple step strengthens your hydration foundation and prepares your body for better circulation throughout the day. Point 3. Potassium, the balancer mineral. Potassium is one of the most overlooked minerals, yet it becomes incredibly important as you move through your 60s and beyond. Think of potassium as the mineral that keeps everything in your body balanced: your blood pressure, your heart rhythm, your nerve signals, and even the way your muscles move. After 60, your potassium levels naturally begin to drop because your kidneys excrete more of it, your digestion absorbs less of it, and many of the foods high in potassium become harder for older adults to eat regularly. This slow decline affects your circulation, your energy, and even your overall sense of stability. Potassium works closely with sodium to maintain the electrical charge inside your cells. Sodium helps pull water into the cells, and potassium helps keep the right pressure and balance once it's there. If potassium becomes too low, your cells lose this balance. Your blood vessels tighten. Your muscles become more fatigued, and your heart has to work harder to stay steady. Many older adults don't recognize these signs and simply assume they are slowing down due to age. But often it is a quiet potassium deficiency. Low potassium can show up as mild muscle weakness, leg heaviness, occasional heart flutters, constipation, or that wired but tired feeling. When your potassium levels are healthy, your muscles stay more relaxed, your blood pressure stays steadier, and your heart rhythm becomes more consistent. It also helps your body maintain deeper hydration because it supports the water inside your cells, not just around them. Adding a small amount of potassium-rich electrolyte powder, low in sugar, to your water once a day is a gentle way to restore balance. It helps your body feel calmer, reduces strain on your heart, and improves the smoothness of your circulation. This mineral brings the harmony your cells need to function comfortably as you age. Point 4. Zinc, the testosterone and immunity guardian. Zinc is one of the most essential minerals for men over 60, yet it is also one of the easiest to become deficient in with age. As the digestive system slows down, the stomach produces less acid, and your body absorbs nutrients less efficiently. Zinc is especially sensitive to these changes. Even a small drop in zinc levels affects your hormones, your immune strength, and your daily energy in ways many older adults don't immediately recognize. For men, zinc plays a major role in supporting testosterone, the hormone that keeps your mood steady, your energy stable, and your vitality strong. When zinc levels fall, testosterone production slows down. You may notice yourself feeling more tired than usual, less motivated, or experiencing a drop in strength or stamina. Some older men report mild irritability, brain fog, or that feeling of not being as sharp as before. These are all quiet signs of low zinc. Zinc also protects your immune system, which naturally becomes more fragile with age. It helps your body fight infections, heal faster, and recover more easily. Without enough zinc, small colds linger longer, wounds take extra time to heal, and your body feels more worn down. What many seniors don't realize is that zinc deficiency also affects the prostate. Zinc helps keep prostate tissue healthy and supports normal function, which becomes especially important after 60. The challenge is that zinc tablets often don't absorb well in older adults. That's why liquid zinc drops are recommended. They absorb faster and more gently. Adding just a few drops to your lunchtime glass of water can help your body maintain stable hormone levels, stronger immunity, and clearer mental energy. Zinc doesn't just support hydration, it supports your entire sense of vitality and confidence as you age. Point 5. Your simple 3-step daily mineral hydration plan. Now that you understand why these minerals matter so much after 60, the next step is knowing how to use them in a way that feels simple, realistic, and easy to follow. Older adults don't need complicated routines or long supplement lists. What your body needs is a steady rhythm, small, consistent habits that support hydration throughout the entire day. This 3-step plan does exactly that. It takes less than 5 minutes, but it gives your cells, blood vessels, and energy a full day of support. 1. Morning, magnesium plus a pinch of natural salt. Start your day with a large glass of water. Add half a teaspoon of magnesium glycinate and just the tiniest pinch of Himalayan or sea salt. This combination helps open your blood vessels gently, relaxes your muscles, and supports better morning circulation. Most people over 60 wake up already low on magnesium and sodium because the body loses both during sleep. This morning drink restores what you lost overnight and prepares your energy for the day. 2. Midday, zinc for hormones and immunity. Around lunchtime, add a few drops of liquid zinc to your water. This supports stable testosterone levels, clearer focus, and a stronger immune system. Midday is the best time because your digestion is more active and your body can absorb zinc more efficiently. Many older adults notice improved alertness and fewer afternoon crashes with this simple step. 3. Evening, potassium electrolyte for balance and nighttime calm. After dinner or light activity, mix a small scoop of a potassium-rich, low-sugar electrolyte powder in your water. Potassium helps your heart rhythm stay steady, relaxes your muscles, and restores mineral balance before bed. It supports smoother nighttime circulation and helps reduce morning stiffness. With these 3 steps, your hydration becomes functional, targeted, and supportive of your whole body. Point 6. Why this matters for your confidence and daily life after 60. As we walk through our 60s, 70s, and beyond, one thing becomes very clear: the way we feel inside affects every part of our day. Your energy, your mood, your confidence, and even the comfort you feel moving around your home are all tied to how well your body is supported. And hydration, real hydration, not just drinking plain water, plays a much bigger emotional role than people realize. When your cells are properly hydrated with minerals, your body feels lighter and more responsive. Your mornings become easier, your thinking becomes clearer, and you feel more in control of your own day. This sense of control is powerful. Many older adults quietly carry the fear that their best days are behind them, or that slowing down is something they simply have to accept. But most of the time, what feels like aging is actually your body asking for the right support. Good hydration helps you stay steady on your feet. It helps you feel calmer when you stand up, walk, or climb the stairs. It helps reduce that tired, dragging feeling that can make simple errands feel overwhelming. And when your energy becomes more stable, your confidence grows. You start trusting your body again. You enjoy social time more. You move with more comfort. You rest more peacefully at night. Emotionally, this creates a quiet but meaningful shift. Your days feel more balanced. Your mood feels more even. You stop blaming yourself for being slow or forgetful, and you begin to recognize that your body is still capable, it simply needed the right kind of nourishment. These small improvements add up. They help you feel more alive in your own skin, more hopeful, and more connected to your daily routines. Hydration isn't just about physical health. It's about giving yourself the support you deserve to live with strength, clarity, and confidence. As we come to the end of this message, I want to leave you with something important, a reminder that your body is still capable of feeling. And remember, this isn't about chasing youth or trying to be who you were years ago. This is about feeling alive right now, in the body you have today. When your hydration becomes functional instead of basic, you wake up with more clarity, you move with more comfort, and you end your day with a greater sense of balance. Now I want to hear from you. Which mineral are you excited to try first? Magnesium, sodium, potassium, or zinc? Your answer helps other older adults learn from your experience, and it builds a community of people taking care of their health together. If this message helped you, share it with someone you care about. And stay tuned, there's always more practical, simple guidance coming your way. You deserve to feel strong, steady, and supported every single day.